5 advanced English phrases you must know. Want to sound more fluent in English? Use these advanced phrases. Number 1, at the end of the day. This means finally, or after everything. For example, at the end of the day, hard work wins. Number 2, take something into account. This means consider carefully. For example, you should take the cost into account. Number 3, go the extra mile. This means do more than expected. For example, successful people always go the extra mile. Number 4, on the same page. This means understand each other. For example, let's make sure we're on the same page. Number 5, a double-edged sword. This means has good and bad sides. For example, social media is a double-edged sword. Follow for more advanced English tips. Keep learning every day.